So this is not shocking to anyone pretty much. If you've seen the hype behind the brand new MacBook Neo and how at this point really if you're a Windows manufacturer, if you manufacture Windows laptops, you're going to have a really bad time trying to deal with how cheap the MacBook Neo is and how much power it truly has compared to, some of these kind of like shovelware type laptops we get from Windows. There's a lot of people who just want to go straight to MacBook because of the affordability. Well, because of that, you now have an issue of, can you supply enough MacBook Neos to be able to actually handle the demand? And that's real. Apple is kind of in a pickle. It's funny too because it's ironically the best thing you could ever have problem wise as a company is to have too much demand for your product. Because that means every single time you manufacture something, you're going to sell it within seconds. Now, of course, as it says here, they've been selling extremely well, and usually that would be a good thing. But the problem is that it uses binned A18 Pro chips, one fewer GPU core. Apple only has 5 to 6 million leftover binned A18 Pro chips, which were unfitted for the iPhone, making them essentially free for the Neo. This helped keep costs low while maintaining margins. Yeah. And then we're going to realize why most laptops with a MacBook Neo type power would not be a MacBook Neo type device. And that is because it would be extremely expensive. So, we'll see. I mean, I'm sure, listen, Apple's Apple, right? Apple's going to figure out something here. They're going to try to do anything they can, I feel like, to avoid raising the prices. Because right now, their business model of the MacBook Neo is absolutely killing it. I mean, I've seen people who hate Apple who actually want to buy this device. This is a very good business model. Keep the price very low and affordable so that people can actually get into the, laptop type market and give a pretty good device for the price tag. And it really can just beat out every single other type of device in its class. It does say here, however, with the high demand for the Neo, Apple's on track to run out of bin chips. They either have to restart production of the A18 Pro and pay a premium to TSMC, taking profit margins, stop selling the Neo entirely, or release the A19 Pro MacBook Neo early. Although the last option is unlikely, could result in the same issue. It's definitely possible. Yeah, I don't think they're going to release a new MacBook Neo already. They're going to wait that whole entire year. There's no way they would ever release it already. But yeah. I mean, again, like I say, it's Apple. I think they're going to figure something out, I don't really think this is going to be an issue for them. I think they're going to figure out something that's going to work out for them. And it's going to work out for them. It's kind of how it is with Apple. Apple is one company that even given all these negative things here against them, they're just going to figure out a way to get around it. And they're going to figure out a way to be able to still manufacture this product for this said price tag and with the said margins. It's just how Apple works. They'll probably find another company they can work with to get this even cheaper. In all honesty, if you look at how cheap it is to manufacture an iPhone and how much Apple sells them for, it's stupidly insane. Like with foldable cell phones, we have given over the years, we have said how, foldable cell phones are way too expensive. But when you break it down on how expensive it is to build them, these foldable phone manufacturers are not making bank. They're really not. Samsung is not making bank off the Z Fold series. Their profit margins are very, very thin. When it comes to Apple's iPhones, with how much it costs to manufacture them, to how much they cost to actually sell them, it is very, very good margins. And I'm sure that, again, this is Apple leak or posting this. I'm sure there's stuff behind the scenes that we don't know about. And there's stuff they'll figure out. And again, all this is just leaks. So, like that's really all this is at the end of the day. So, yeah, I think everything will be fine. Shout out, though, here to Apple Leaker for posting this. So, awesome. Peace out, guys.